In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and position a logo in your form editor workspace. To get started, open your form editor and look toward the top section of the workspace. This upper design header area is where you can control the visual setup for the form's top layout, and it's the right place to add branding elements like a company logo. Click directly into that header configuration area so you're working in the correct section before adding anything new. This is important because placing the logo in the header helps keep the design clean, consistent, and immediately recognizable to anyone viewing the form. Once you're inside the header workspace, find the image icon button in the editor tools. This button is used to insert a new image-based asset into the form. Click that image tool to create a new image element in the header area. At this point, you're essentially adding a placeholder that will hold your logo file. If your editor highlights the newly added image block, that's a helpful sign that it's selected and ready for the next step. Now upload your corporate logo file directly from your computer. After clicking the image element or the upload prompt, browse to the folder where the logo is stored and select the correct file. In most cases, it's best to use a clean, high-quality image so the logo remains sharp and professional when displayed. Once selected, allow the file to upload fully before making adjustments. If the editor shows a preview, take a moment to confirm that the correct image has been inserted. After the logo appears in the header, use the visual placement and alignment controls to refine how it looks. Adjust the scaling so the image fits naturally within the space without appearing too large or too small. Then review the alignment settings to position it properly within the header area. Depending on the layout of your form, you may want the logo centered or aligned to one side for a more balanced presentation. Also pay attention to the boundaries around the image, so it doesn't feel cramped or unevenly spaced. As you make these final adjustments, aim for a layout that looks polished and easy to read. A well-placed logo should support the form design, not overpower it. When everything looks right, your form header will feel more professional and visually branded, helping create a stronger first impression for users viewing the form.